It's your girl, the Glam Princess, and today I am bringing y'all a DIY that is going to be so simple, so quick, and so super affordable. Like, I got these hurricane glasses, and I got this from the Goodwill. I think it was like $2.99, something like that. But of course, Dollar Tree, they do sell the hurricane glasses, and they sell vases, but not like this. But what we're going to use is these vases and hurricane glasses that I have. We're going to use our beautiful diamond crystal wrap and our glue. We're going to use these little Chanel. This came from off the Cricut machine. It wasn't the right paper, but we're going to make it do what it do. That's what we do. Make it do what it do. So let's get started, y'all. Oh yeah, and we're gonna use these lights, these push button lights from Dollar Tree, and I can't find them anymore. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but I can hardly find those anymore. But it is what it is. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our I pre-cut some pieces. Hopefully it's enough, but I pre-cut these little pieces, and we're just gonna go ahead and put them on our base. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our beautiful vase and our hurricane glasses turned out. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. This is a simple, quick, easy, affordable DIY. So I hope you all like what you see. And don't forget, on June 10th, I am doing the mirrored tile giveaway. Don't forget, there are 3 colors, so I don't want everybody thinking they're gonna get silver. So I'm hoping y'all like rose gold and gold too. So once again, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this?